Hey y'all, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy y'all, and of course it's me, Jewelisa. And all these squishies are from Silly Squishies, and it's my birthday, so let's get right into it. First off, we got this cotton candy one, and its packaging is so cute. Of course, if it showed us what it looks like. It shows us its name, which is cotton candy, and then what it really looks like, which it is so cute, and then it shows us on the back different squishies that are off of mine. Some of them I might have trouble opening because I just got my nails done and they're hard to open.
They're so squishy.
And these smell, I love whenever you first get them, they smell so good. And I just love that they're not defective.
Like from off of my other lines.
They sometimes come defective, but these, this is the main website I'll show you looking off of. It is so squishy. I love squishy. I can't wait for next week because the fair opens and I'm gonna get myself the cotton candy. That's the first thing. I love how they smell. This one smells just like the cotton candy. Next one is a soda. This is grape soda, and its packaging, this one is so much cuter. It has what it looks like right there in the picture. It looks so real, and it says soda, and on the back it shows us different squishies. This one is so cute. It looks real. It looks like you can just open it right there, but it's not. And it's so cute. I love it. Here it looks like its color's purple, of course, and then it has a flavor. And it is so squishy. And it smells exactly like a grape one. It smells so good. And it's so squishy. It's so cute. And it is so slow rising. Look at it. It's still coming up. Still. Come on.
You're wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay, the next one is this Silly Squishy donut. This one is so giant. This one so big. I just love the packaging. Of course. This one is so cute. And so big. Look at it. It's the size of my face almost. It's so slow rising. Of course, the flavor is strawberry with sprinkles, and it looks exactly like a donut, but the size, they don't come this size. And it says Silly Squishies, and they are just so slow rising. Look at it. Just look at it. It's still coming up. Still. Here's the next box, and as y'all can tell, the squishy's still coming up. And this is a bigger box. Okay, so the first one is fruit rings cereal. So this one, dang guys. 5. Serve myself this much of a cereal. Look how big this is. So this is Fruit Loops, but it says fruit rings. It's so squishy. It has its little face. It says Silly Squishy, and it's like so big. The bowl is the size of a regular bowl, but the cereal, who serves us this much cereal? Like seriously. In the video, I'll show y'all a close up of all the squishies and my nails. They're so squishy. It's so slow rising. Just popped out of my hand, but next one is it's a fairy tale cake. This one's a normal, and it is so cute. I want this cake for my birthday. For my next birthday. It look cute for my birthday, but like bigger. I got a big ass family. This one I can actually squeeze because it's so much softer. The other ones are like harder, so like And I have my nails done, so I'm like, hard squid. This is a s'mores, and it says it's slow rising. That's a little heads up. That's what they need. That's what they need to say on the other boxes. Slow rising, not so slow rising. Like, come on, girls or boys. The packaging's cute. Let's do this, friend.
Damn, this one's bigger than my hand, guys.
Look. This one's so much bigger than my hand. If I didn't have my nails done, it wouldn't be actual. But look, it has a little tongue sticking out of that. But it's so cute. I can't really keep my eye open. But okay. But it has chocolate melting, burnt right there. I don't want mine burnt, but burnt, and it has a chocolate, the red on the back. It has hearts. Let's squish it. It is so slow rising. It is so slow rising. Wish I could have this one as a marshmallow, but not so soggy. Okay, now the next one is a unicorn's cake squishy. And if y'all watch the cooking shows, they actually cook this one. And this packaging is cute. And I want to eat it, but I can't because it's fake and it has poison. Don't eat these, kids.
It's squishing and it's saying ow, but saying ow.
And it's so slow rising. Now that's all my squishies. I'm going to show you a little close-up of all my squishies. And here we go. So here's the first one, donut. The next one, white unicorn cake. Next one is a marshmallow. S'mores. Next one is the cake. Next one is the soda, grape soda.
Hello, darkness, my old
Next
friend.
one is cereal, Loop Loop cereal. Next one is marshmallow. And now I'm going to show you a close-up on my nails. So, there you go. Okay, so guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give it a thumbs up. And if y'all didn't, well then goodbye to y'all. But other than that, have a good day and have a good night. Peace out, guys. Mwah. Dun. Dun, dun, dun.